Hello, partner. Needs my help. What do we got?
I'm gonna take these two jack stands out of here.
Okay.
Take them over.
Leave them to me. What are you doing out this early? Bugs, even in the morning. And you're still here. What are you still doing here? Holy crap, there's 1, 2, 3. Oh my God. There's 3 of them. They do not care about us. See if I can get his. Do you see it moving on his?
God, there's like 5 of them.
There's like 5 of them?
Hello.
I don't know if you can see. Oh, there goes one butt. Oh, there he goes. Oh, another. I think that one had a bone in it.
I have a friend in Italy where they do not have raccoons in Italy, and she loves.
Wheel off. High five. Take that. Again. Yeah. So, something happened. I don't know why it happened.
So you got one box.
Brakes. I don't know what happened. They were running smooth. All of a sudden, one of them popped, it feels like. And we got some metal on metal action going on. So we're changing the brake pads, if you haven't guessed it yet. Beautiful stuff. And that's how you change a brake pad. Happy to teach you. Thank you. Thank you for attending my class. What are you still doing here? Okay, so we did get this wheel back on. And now we're gonna go ahead. If you don't know, you should always make sure you change both sides because you got uneven brakes. This side should be much easier. We're already almost there. Because this side was acting good. That's the weird thing about what happened. I'm usually pretty vigilant about my brakes, but this one just popped out on me all of a sudden. So here we go. I'll spare you all the details, but we are doing the other one now because of Keith. I wanted to really get this sound. If I can get it, I have to fast forward right here. Again. And then 3, 2, 1. Document it. Oh, these ones feel pretty bad too.
You might try them. Me too, but
That one will come. No,
that
they.
one was fine.
Yeah, the back one usually is.
Front one's fine. No, that front one's fine. Don't gouge. Gentle with it. You don't want to gouge the motor up.
Yeah, I mean we had some time, but it's there. That's nuts.
That's what he's done for.
There you go.
It's recording.
Okay. And then here we are. Machetes and big old fishing net. If you've watched my vlogs before, you'll know that we've come back here before and we found that big cypress tree. I'll put that video in there. Hold on, we'll talk about this in a second. They're bottom feeders?
Yeah.
Anyways, we're back in the environmental center today because we are searching for, what are they called? Poniards? What are they called? Picassopus? Picassopus. Placo. They are invasive. Ow, pick the rock. They are a form of catfish, and they're invasive to our environmental center, so we're going to go find them and get rid of them. Do our part as Floridians. Water's really high and churned up because of all the rain we've been getting. I'll take that. Ooh, now I will. Very Jurassic Park back here today. Oh, I hate it. This does look like a great spot. Cup. This is where Florida brown snakes like to hide too. He is braver than I. I do not.
This is collapsing in over here.
Yeah? It's because they're digging the tunnels?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can see it's basically like this whole edge.
Yeah. So what he was saying is these fish, they burrow and create tunnels in the bay or on the shore, and it can cause, if you look, you can see it's collapsing. It's kind of creating a tiny little, like over there's really bad landslide because of all the hollowness underneath it now. Let me know if you see any. No, I was talking to the camera. But you also let me know. Ready for this? By the way, this is what we mean when we say sweet tea water. That is very, very sweet tea. Almost herbal tea. Oh my God, he's huge. That's a big old gar. There's another one somewhere over here, but look at that one. We did find all these minnows. Look at them go. We are stopping to appreciate this tree. I mean, look at this thing. Wow. How beautiful that is. I think I'll get so mossy at the top. Ooh, what was that? Oh my God, the water is so high. Wow. It's both beautiful and freaky. Like a goth girl.
There's one. I see one right on that fucking log right there.
I believe you. I don't see him.
This log that goes across. Now the sun's going down. You can't see it.
I see the log.
So, right in where it's light, you see like that dark mass
Uh-huh.
on the log.
Yes.
That's him right there.
Oh, really? I don't know what you can tell on camera, but that's it. That's the spot. There, my machete's on the ground. Be careful.
Is that as far as you can see?
No.
Okay, yeah.
Right. There. So at least seeing one is a good thing to Keith. Keith is the one that's capturing him. I'm just here catching it on film. But he seen one, which means That if you seen another one, that'd make 2, which means they're for sure definitely out here. And that's Florida math. You can hear the water. This is the place you were talking about that one time.
Oh, where it runs underground.
Yeah, but well, you can see it now. It's super flooded.
Oh, yeah.
But usually you can't see it and you just hear it. But the last time I was here, yeah, it comes from up there. Last time I was here, it was dry as a dry place.
Dry as a bone.
Your bones are pretty dry, except for when they're inside, because then they're covered in guts. That's while we're learning math and anatomy. Ooh. Oh, wow. And look at this little guy. Oh, he just took one. Oh, he's eating it. That's so fun. I know he's gonna run. I know he knows I'm here, but let's get him first. Right there. Right here's a turtle. There he goes. Oh, very graceful. Hello, buddy. The way that turtle fell was funny, but we are officially entering gator territory. Water's a little high though. I don't think we'll see a gator today, but Mama Gator lives here. There's like one gator that's always just basking right up here. She lives here for sure, and her kids like to hide over in this corner over here. They're cute little things. I have another video where we saw the gator. I'll tag it in the thing, you know, where you put videos in the thing. If you're unaware, it is so very, very hot in Florida right now. I mean, we're not even in summer yet, but the UV index is going crazy, and we just had huge rain yesterday. So like you could feel all the moisture trapped in these plants, and it is very, very hot. So I'm here right now.
Baby alligator up
Where? I was just about to talk about a baby
there.
alligator.
He's like right on the bank with his tail kind of sticking up.
Oh,
out
I
of the
see his
water.
tail. Hold on. This is where they usually are, but looks like we got one over here. Do you see that? That right above me. That's its tail. It's kind of got a half in, half out situation going on. Do you see its back? And there's its eye right there. Very pretty, yeah. Here's a better view. Do you see it now? Just kind of basking. About as good as I got. All right, well, my phone's getting a little hot, so I'm gonna let it chill while we look. And I will pull it out if something interesting happens. For me, it'll feel like forever, but for you, it'll feel like instant. Watch. Boom. There it goes. That is so pretty. Die. We have encountered another baby gator. We're gonna get closer, but I wanna get some footage just in case it tries to jump into the water. Right there, I know you see it. Let's get closer though. There we go, what a cutie. Go. Did I get it? There it is. Okay. Oh, that is so cool. Look at it go. I mean, I saw it swim. I don't know if you saw it on camera. Scaring away all those things.
Might see it come back.
Look at that one. There he goes. Here we go. Tell me about this. You know anything about it?
It's just a ringneck. I think it's like a common eastern ringneck or something, but they actually have venom.
But its
They
mouth
have-
too small
yeah,
to bite.
and their fangs are rear fangs. They're in the back of their mouth instead of the front.
So it's made for eating, not attacking.
Yeah, or biting like little lizards and stuff.
How big do they get, do you know?
Yeah, probably about a foot or two. Not super huge. Their underside looks cool. They'll like curl up their tail like that, so you can kind of show it.
Mm-hmm.
It's like a defense mechanism.
Oh, yeah.
And he stinks.
Yeah, I'm sure.
On the whiff.
No. We would also like to be clear. It's catch and release. Look. Oh, look at his little head sticking out. They're like no bigger than an earthworm. All right, attempt number 1. We're live. We saw that coming. Are we switching sides?
No, I just want to step in the water a little bit.
Yeah, me too. The ground sank on me, but it's okay.
See how the webs?
Oh, look, there's 2 of them.
Oh yeah, it's a bigger one.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, these things are... Wow. That thing is freaky looking from the backside. I wish I could... I can't get it to work, though. Yeah, that'd be cool. All right, let's see. Yeah, look how freaky this thing is from the backside. Wow.
Can you see it?
Yeah. Oh, there we go. Wow. They're virtually harmless to us, right?
Yeah. They're not known to be aggressive at all.
Right.
We could probably pick them up and hold them right now.
If you wanted to, look, I am a
It's hard to
Florida
get
boy.
'em when they're in their webs.
I'm a Florida boy, but I don't trust spiders as far as I can throw them. And I can throw them really far. Wow. Yeah, that thing is tight.
Look at that thick one back there. It's just like strong.
Look at that. That's perfect right there. So Keith was just telling me that's why they're called golden orb weavers, because look at, you could see the gold in the web, but man, these things are tough. Conjugal visit. It's been so long. I don't like it.
Probably won't let me. I don't want to break his web either.
There he goes.
I'll stop terrorizing him.
I won't. Yeah. Look, can you get your hand back there one more time? Oh, sorry. That's okay. Look, you can see the hair on his legs. That's so sick. You are a freaky looking thing. But you're awesome. That's so cool. Whoa, that's a good shot. Okay, bye-bye. So I'm going to replay it again right now, but at the very end of that last clip, you can hear a bug of some sorts, the size of probably the Washington Monument, smack into the spider web. Sorry, words are hard for me. Smack into the spider web, and it jiggled it, but it was moving so fast and it was so big that it just kind of bolted right through it. But here, I'll play it again right here. And again right here. Yeah. So, and right here again. And yeah, that's a fly just smacking into the spider web. And this is why we do it. Let's get that wide shot. Oh, that's the... There it is. Wow. Working on this tree. I'll get back to you. All right. Wide view. Oh, missed. There it goes. Hell yeah. Okay, now that I've done that, we're gonna move it because these trees all fall naturally already and they create blockage, which creates dams. which is a breeding ground for all of the trash. So I'm not gonna contribute to that, and we're gonna go ahead and step into this mud. Ooh. Oh, there we go. A little more stale water. Don't touch it. What are you doing? Uh-oh, now we're on the rural side of Florida. These things, you gotta look out for these things. They will mess your feet up. These things. Yeah, why is it so foamy? Something's gotta be moving around in there.
Like maybe that's like frog nest or something. Oh, a catfish.
Oh, very cool. Little baby one, but yeah, there it is. We're eating
That's
good
an
tonight.
armored one. That's a different kind.
Yeah, I've never seen that kind of. Wow.
I don't want them to spike me.
Yeah, no, I wouldn't want that either.
I have been spiked by them before and it hurts really fucking bad.
Yeah, I got one in my foot, and I've also seen my friend absolutely get his hand torn open by one of these things.
Oh, those are eggs. Oh no, I netted his eggs.
So this is pretty cool. We made it this far. Laura's mom helped build this back in the 90s, I think, yeah. And I don't know how it got so dilapidated so quickly, but I heard that they're working on fixing it again. And look, there's the trash can. It's empty now, so that must mean, I don't know. Let's find out. Oh yeah, no, it's full. But as you can see, that's all river junk. You see all the river scum? So people have been cleaning up the river, and I love that.
There's also fresh stuff, so they've been throwing it in here too, which is good whenever they bring stuff.
I want to take you guys a little bit this way, but if you live in Florida and you ever come here, please just be very careful. All this stuff is stupid waterlogged, and look at all the nails. And I'm barefoot, you know. It's okay to be one with nature, but you just got to be super careful out here. Look at this. I mean, wow. Oh, sorry, spider. Got to move you. Move you over there. Keith just pointed these out. We don't know what they are, but he called them Dr. Seuss flowers, and I like it. Oh, did you hear that? That was big, whatever it was. I really want you guys to just take in some Florida, though. All right, we are officially off path. It turns out there was nothing up there of surprise, so we are doing other things. This is where it gets stupid, guys. Really, I would not suggest.
I did it.
Oh, into the spider web? Oh, that's an awful place for it, too. I don't know.
Oh god, it's got me. I just lay down. Don't wipe from front to back.
Okay.
I kind of went like here to here.
Okay.
That was probably stable, but
I feel good about it. And then under the spider web.
it's an old informational tablet.
The slab. Return the slab. Ospreys are good luck where I'm from. So this is pretty cool. A tree fell from God knows where.
It's like
Just
about 6
absolutely.
trees fell right here.
It's true. It's true. And absolutely just decimated this. And look at this. Yeah, we got some nails. Just gotta be careful. Here we go.
Birds are out here laughing at it. That's stupid. You gotta walk on that stupid path.
Ooh, yeah, I'm gonna stay up close to the top. Ugh, spider webs everywhere. Oh, woodpecker. All right, yeah.
Better not pick on my house. Ooh, this rusty.
I like how this tree fell just to give us a way over.
Right? There is somewhere down here. There's a huge tree to the right of the path. We can climb up onto it. I'm pretty sure.
Wow. I am sweating. Wow, I really just like showing you guys the messed up part. It's kind of like, it's so interesting. Like, hey, I heard you. Something just bubbled at me.
Sorry.
Anyways, this stuff is super interesting. I like the old destroyed parts. I mean, wow, what are we doing back here? Look at that thing. What do you say? Are we turning around or you want to keep going? Keep going. So this is why you got to be careful. People are kind enough to bend the nails over, but sorry, don't want to get you on my toes like that right here. People are kind enough to bend the nails over, but that will still mess you up. So you gotta always be careful out here. Just to show you how wet it gets here. Look at this. Mm-hmm. How did that happen? That's so cool. Well, it might be why all this is destroyed.
No, this is pretty bad.
Look at this. Oh.
Look at those little white funguses. You know what? This is where we could maybe net something.
Wow. I mean, just look at this stuff, man. This is cool. This is a big underside of a tree. Wow. Oh. And here's the tree. All the way up. It didn't even go all the way down. Whoa. That's my phone switching cameras. But man, I love stuff like this. That's so cool. And we seem to have met the end. Look at that mushroom. Whoa! Oh, I missed it, but that was cool. So we made it. The reason why it's so empty is because they are starting to rebuild it. Look at that fresh new wood up there. Yeah, this is about as far as we can go. There it is. They're building the new one.
Sounds like they're doing shit back there.
They might be. All right, well, my phone is on 4% now, and there's not really much left to show. I think we're about to roll it in. Yeah. So you'll see us here in a little bit. But here's one last look. Sweet tea water. One more time.
I was going for fish, but look at his head. Something wrong with him. Maybe he's just old. I don't know.
Maybe he doesn't want to zoom in on him. Can you put him like in front of you? Ooh. There we go. Oh, he is not happy.
Jesus.
Yeah, they don't get much bigger than that. It's a good catch, though.
Look at his face, though. There's something wrong. Terribly wrong. It looks like
Oh,
a
yeah.
zombie.
Hold on. Yeah. He's like blinded in one eye. I know you can't see it. I'm trying. He won't stop wiggling. There we go. No. There you are. There we go. Yeah, there's something wrong with his eye. The tail of the one-eyed snake. Snake. Okay, my bud. That wasn't so bad, was it? Can you hear it? All right. And that's game. My phone ended up dying. And we just walked it back in, got some lunch, passed out on the couch, and now I am cleaning my game room. You guys will get a tour of this eventually. I'm not going to show too much down here because it's really messy. I'm just catching up on some Tim Tracker. And I am playing video games over here, but my TV just turned off while I was editing. And that's it. That's it. Laundry, cleaning, and tomorrow I got another Disney challenge coming. Hoorah. And I got the outro back. So, with that being said, I will see you guys tomorrow. Good night.